Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Travel with Ebu. So today I'm in Palm Beach. Palm Beach is one of the beaches among the northern beaches in Sydney. So it is just 41 kilometers from the Sydney Central. So if you want to reach Palm Beach, there is no direct trains available here. You will get a bus from the Vineyard station. So the bus number is 190X. If you catch that bus, you can directly come to Palm Beach. It will take almost 1 hour 15 minutes in bus. So Palm Beach is a very beautiful beach. It's a peninsular area. Almost all sides of this beach is covered by, this area is covered by water, I mean sea water. So it's a very beautiful view. Can you see the houses over this cliff top? They are constructed with iron pillars. The people who lives over here will get a very nice view of this beach. It's an amazing place. There is a lighthouse near to this beach. So we are planning to go to this lighthouse. The view from this cliff top. So lighthouse is on the cliff top. The view from this cliff top will be very good. We can see the beaches on both the sides. It's an amazing view. So I'm planning to go there. The water is so clear here. I feel like to swim over here, but I didn't bring my swimming suits. There are lots of houses over here. I came to the other side of the Palm Beach. It is very beautiful. It looks so blue over here and the water is so still. This is named as Pittwaters. Here a lot of kayaking boats are available here. If you want to go for kayaking, there are some local people who will take you for kayaking. And you can hire the boat as well. Can you see the clouds? It is like birds laying over the sea. It's so cool and amazing view. It's so calm over here. You can sit here and enjoy the nature. And this is the starting point of our lighthouse walk. First you will walk through the seashore and you will reach the top of the lighthouse. It's amazing. It's okay, you can come. We are on the way to lighthouse. In between, we have found this amazing place to take photos. You will get the view of both the beaches. The left side we use the Palm Beach and the right side we use the Avalon Beach. The view that we get on the way to lighthouse is amazing. It's very beautiful. You can see the blue ocean. It's completely a cliff top view. So they have completely constructed the steps till the end of lighthouse. It's greenery one side and the other side is blue. Amazing view. Finally, I have reached the lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. Oh, what a wonderful view it is. It's so good. That is the lighthouse. Today it's a sunny day, so the view is so good over here. The lighthouse is surrounded by the sea. It's amazing. Since it's a sunny day, the complete ocean seems to be very blue in color. It's very good. This is the 360-degree view that you will get from the top of the hill near to the lighthouse. You can see the green mountains, the blue ocean. The left side is Palm Beach and the right side is the Pittwater areas. And you can see the lighthouse, the other side of the Palm Beach. It's so good. It's worth coming here. I recommend you all to visit these places if you are in Sydney, the Palm Beach and the surrounding areas, the lighthouse. Before you come, you have to check for the weather as well. If it is a rainy day or cloudy day, don't prefer to come. it should be a sunny day, then only you will get the amazing blue view of the Pacific Ocean. It's really so good. I am so blessed to see this. So we have enjoyed the lighthouse and the surrounding areas, the cliff top view, the amazing cool breeze. So it was very good. We have enjoyed that, and now we are walking back to the Palm Beach shore. I have to catch my bus. It's time to catch the bus. So I am walking a bit fast. So while going, I have choose the other way where the stairs are available. But while coming back, I have choose a different way. So this is easy because it's not stairs. You can see a lot of people walking towards the lighthouse. A lot of people are visiting these places. It's very good. So I have reached back at the starting point of our walk. So you can see the starting point. This was the starting point. So I am back. I am back to the Palm Beach where I started my lighthouse walk. So it's time to wind up for today. I am very happy to show you the Palm Beach and the surrounding areas. If you like my video, please share to others. I'll be coming back very soon in another video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.